Good afternoon, welcome aboard. Our flight to Phoenix. Your safety is important to us. Please pause for a moment to give your attention to the flight attendant. Luggage and personal articles should be stowed either overhead or under the seat in front of you. To prepare for departure, close your tray table and place your seat in the upright position. For those customers seated in an overwing exit seat, window shades must remain open for taxi, takeoff, and landing. If you haven't already fastened your seatbelt, insert the metal fitting into the buckle and pull the strap so it is tight across your hips. To open your seatbelt, lift the top of the buckle. Keep your seatbelt fastened when the seatbelt sign is on, and just in case there's turbulence, keep it on whenever you are in your seat. U.S. law requires compliance with lighted and posted signs and crew instructions. All flights are non-smoking. This includes e-cigarettes. It's against the law to tamper with, disable, or destroy the lavatory smoke detectors. The safety card in your seat pocket explains the safety features of this airplane, including the location and operation of exits and flotation devices. This airplane has 2 exit doors in the front, 4 window exits over the wings, and 2 exit doors in the back. All exits have evacuation slides to use in an emergency. When directed to exit, jump onto the slide and move away from the airplane. In a water evacuation, the exit door slides in the front and back of the airplane can be detached and used for flotation. All exits are clearly marked with signs and opening instructions. If needed, exit path lighting in the aisle will illuminate near the floor to guide you to an exit indicated by signs and lights. Keep in mind the closest exit may be behind you. In the event of an emergency, leave all belongings and proceed to the closest usable exit. If needed, oxygen masks will drop from an overhead compartment. Remain seated with your seatbelt fastened and pull the mask down to start the flow of oxygen. Place the mask over your nose and mouth and put the elastic band over your head. Pull the straps to tighten and breathe normally. Put on your mask before helping others. Oxygen is flowing even if the bag doesn't inflate. In a water evacuation, you can use your seat cushion for flotation. Pull up to remove the cushion and take it to the closest usable exit. When exiting the airplane, place your arms through the straps and hug the cushion to your chest. If necessary, an infant life vest will be distributed by a flight attendant. The safety card shows how to use it. We will be dimming the cabin lights for takeoff. Individual reading light controls are overhead. Thank you for your attention and welcome aboard.
Once we take off, you're more than welcome to do that, but can't block anyone's egress in case we gotta escape out of here. Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
asleep. I've tried avoiding this, but my emotions overcame and took all that I have, all that I have. I'm coming clean. I'm not ashamed to feel what is a lie is still very real. With who I am, with who I am.
welcome you to Phoenix. Local time is 6:41 p.m. Our arrival gate this evening is going to be B as in boy 13. We apologize for a delayed arrival. If this is your final destination, please allow customers with close connections to deplane first. Thank you for your cooperation. And please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until we are parked at the gate and the seatbelt sign has been turned off. Please use caution when opening the overhead compartments as articles may have shifted during flight. You are now welcome to use your cell phones. There will be a customer service agent once inside the terminal building who can assist you with connecting information, or you can consult AA.com or the AA mobile app on your cell phones. There will also be monitors throughout the concourse that you can consult for your connecting gates.
Hopelessly, I've tried avoiding this, but my emotions overcame and took all that I have, all that I have. I'm coming clean, I'm not ashamed to feel what is alive and still very real with who I am, with who